Hello there, everybody. So get ready with me as I prepare myself going to work today as 4 p.m. closing shift. Okay, guys. I want to share something. The news that I just watched. It's all about surrogate mom that coming to Cyprus. So basically, she is a Filipina, and according to her interview, when the immigration police catch her on NAIA Terminal 3, the immigration police already noticed that she is not consistent on her interview why she will leave the Philippines going to Cyprus. So she's not very consistent about her answers. So that time, already the police is not believing on her. So by that time, that Filipina told the police the real reason why she will fly going to Cyprus from Philippines, and the reason is to be a surrogate mom. That Filipina is 34 years old, and according to her, that client, that is foreigner, she knows that foreigners on a dating app, and she don't mention there which dating app. And according to that Filipina, that foreigner is willing to pay her the amount of 300,000 pesos for her to carry a baby or to be a surrogate mom here in Cyprus. So it's very alarming, and this is not legal because it's about human trafficking. Okay. According to her also, they will do the IVF. So yeah. So in short, that Filipina did not come here to Cyprus because so to all those women that is also one of that Filipina who is planning to come here in Cyprus, so be careful because in NAIA they are very strict and they knows that you are not telling the truth because there is an interview as a tourist coming here. Even though you have your documents and everything, if they noticed you that you are not really consistent with your answer or you're not telling the truth, they will suit you about this one. So okay, that 34 years old Filipina that planning to be a surrogate mom here with the help of that foreigner that she met only on online or a dating app. So she's facing a trouble right now, and sad to say that she didn't flew here or she didn't fly here in Cyprus to be a surrogate mother. So be careful always for those who are Filipina that is trusting a foreigner that you know only on a dating app. Because that Filipina offered, that foreigner offered that Filipina a big amount, yes. If you are having a financial trouble in Philippines, so 300,000 pesos is a big amount. So yeah, she grabbed that opportunity, but sadly, the immigration police in NAIA is they catch that Filipina because they knows that she's not telling the truth, And that truth is being a surrogate mom here in Cyprus. So that's it. Before you will make a decision in your life, so you need to be careful. You need to think 100 times before you will do the things that you know that's illegal. Okay, so that you will not encounter this kind of problem in your life. Okay, so I will show also the photo here that I watch, so that you will have the full details on that news. Okay, so right now I am about to have my blush on, and oh, I forget, I already have my glasses. So I do my makeup like this, so very simple. So I just put some tinted sunscreen from Brilliant and some lipstick, and I put some little bit of pressed powder on my face after I put that tinted sunscreen. I put also earlier the moisturizer. A little bit late to make the video because it's just click on my mind after I watched that video. That one of Filipina, and the place is, I mean that country is going to Cyprus. So yeah. Okay. So maybe I need to remove these eyeglasses first. I need to put something here because my eyes is like little bit down, so I need this. To just lift my eyes a little bit. Okay, that's it. I can say that I am very good already in putting this one because before I don't know how to use. I will not put anything now on my eyebrow because I don't have time anymore. Only like I will brush, like to be arranged and nice. So that's it for today. I say bye for now. Bye.